welcome. You're into with Nabu the Ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. Hi, so today I am going to talk to all my rulers in regards to credit. If you suffer from a low credit score, you will probably fall into one of three categories. That category could be bad credit, high debt, or no credit. Now, the first group of people with bad credit will have late payments, collection charges, charge-offs, public records, medical bills, etc. The strategy for them is as follows. Remove as much negative information on your credit report as soon as possible, okay? And add positive accounts as quickly as possible, okay? Now, the second group of people who suffer from a low credit score are people with high debt. You know, people who spend, have $5,000 credit card and you spent $5,000 on your credit card. Yeah, that's who I'm talking about. The people who have a house, several cars in their name and all that, that's high debt. So the second group of people who suffer from a low credit score are people with a high debt. These people have good credit, really good credit. However, they are just in a lot of debt and are overextended. The strategy for this group is to what? Negotiate their debts down and pay them off while preserving credit rating. And you also need to add credit to their reports to reduce their debt to credit ratio and enhance their overall credit profile. So examples of doing this is, okay, if you have a $5,000 credit card and your debt is $5,000, you need to what? Obviously, you need to pay that down, right? So you need to make payments. Don't make that's that minimum payment. They say, oh, you can pay $20 a month. No, what you need to do is go ahead and pay as much as you can down. Say I don't know, tax time is coming up. You get $10,000 in taxes, pay your $5,000 on that credit card to make your credit, and that's score increase, and that will take down the debt. Even though you have good credit, this will help you to pay down your debts, okay? Now, the third group is the minority. These are people with no credit. It would be easy to for them to achieve a goal of great credit score if they know exactly what to do. Now, the strategy for this group is to simply build their credit by adding positive trade lines to their report, keep the debt to credit ratio low, and never miss a payment. And remember, I talked about this in my earlier videos. The people with bad credit, you can easily just add become an authorized user on someone's account, and bam, boom. All you have to do is ask your mother or somebody, or you can go to MJ Trade Lines or somebody like that and purchase a trade line and get on there for a month. And then your credit score will jump, but you're going to have to pay people like MJ Trade Lines. You probably can just text your mother, hey, can I give you $100 to add me to your credit card? Her credit card could be $25,000. That will, and then if she takes care of her credit, then it will help you to increase your credit, okay? Increase your credit score. That's a simple fix. Now that you have an understanding of what we are about to do here, let's build some credit, okay? I always try to make my videos as short as possible and give you as much information as possible. So I'm going to tell you that it's easy to rebuild your credit. And I know it's sometimes it looks as if it's insurmountable, but it is not insurmountable. It is actually easy. It's just like taking it step by step. You would ask somebody, how would you eat an elephant if you had to eat an elephant? You would take it one bite at a time. So with your credit, make sure that you take one bite at a time. Now, if you look back at my other videos, I'm just giving you strategies. I'm giving you these gold nuggets, these tidbits, this good information for free so you can build your credit, okay? Now, make sure you do some of the things that I'm saying. Now, let's cut to the chase. You need to add good credit history to your report, and you need it now. Now, some of the ways to tricks of the trade to do that is add trade lines, or meaning you becoming an authorized user on somebody's account. We don't have time to gamble and see who will give you credit and who will definitely don't want to get. We don't want to get a lot of inquiries on our credit report, but we do have to be strategic in how we gain good credit. So I just wanted to give you some information on today. I just want to make sure I made a short video in that regard. So if you can put all my credit videos together, that will help you to build credit. So if you like the information that I gave you in this video, give me a like. If you want to comment. And if you enjoy the information I'm giving you, please subscribe to my page. My channel. So you have been with Nabu the Ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness.